Hey everybody, so welcome back to the channel, y'all. So I got somebody that commented, that shared a comment in one of my videos and tagged me in on a video that basically a response to in one that I had in one of my when I did a video of my all the themes from Windows XP, including some of the ones that were lost. Basically, one of them was saying that the sounds for the LDN theme were wrong, but I got receipts that show that these sounds are basically correct. Even though I got the files that we're gonna copy the theme files over from the from an archive that I got, so we're gonna copy the folder with all the theme files. So let's find the theme itself. So we're gonna extract that. We're gonna click yes. So on that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the theme file in Notepad to show you what sounds are set for that particular theme based on how the themes were configured. So you see right there where it say LDN start Windows, and let's see, LDN exit Windows. So we're gonna go to the LDN theme. So let me go ahead and apply that theme. It's gonna take a minute because it's changing some of the visual elements around. So once the theme applies, so we're going to go into sounds and audio devices, and so let's say we're going to go into the control panel, sounds and audio devices. So we're going to go to the system sounds. So let's start off with start Windows. See LDN start Windows. So I'm going to go ahead and play the sound to prove that it is Windows and T4s. And we're going to go to exit Windows. So let's play it. Well, what do you know? It uses the sounds from Windows NT 4.0, not the 2000 me sounds. Even if I open up this folder, as you see, LDN start Windows, it's still basically Windows NT 4.0, which I'm playing it one more time. So and we're gonna go to LDN exit Windows, which you get basically Windows NT 4.0 start shutdown sound. Because this is to show proof that it didn't use the Windows 2000 me sounds. Unless if there's other proof that shows that it uses even though this is, even though this file, it must have been extracted from from the guy that opened up that did use, that managed to get them from the installer, but from the LDN theme file, which these were downloadable themes from the internet that were lost. So you always want to check before you always want to check to make sure that the files are accurate before. That's what I usually would do before I make those videos. So let's say, for example, we're gonna go to the plus at Windows XP theme. So let's say we're gonna go to plus space. Which we're gonna give it a minute because it's Windows, so what to expect. But so I'm gonna close this window out. So if we go back into the audio properties, so let's say we're gonna go to Start Windows, see Space System Start, which is basically directed into the media folder. So let me go scroll down. So you always want to if you're gonna, every time anybody that do these videos, it's always important to do your research first before if you're gonna show the actual proof. And this video is just to prove that how I found the sounds that are set that go to each particular theme. So I hope this video helped you guys out. But if you have any other proof that show that these sound, which if it's not correct, feel free to do your own video of running the installer of a particular theme that show that which sounds are correct and which ones are incorrect. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.